told you, you were never meant to chase love. You were meant to embody it, to radiate it, to walk into every room already knowing you're the one they've been waiting for. You don't have to beg to be chosen. You don't have to prove that you're worthy. Because when you shift your energy, you become completely unforgettable. You become devotion itself. And when they feel that frequency, they can't help but show up differently. They prioritize you. They cherish you. They fall madly, deeply, and completely in love with you. So if you're ready to be loved the way you deserve, hit that like button, subscribe, and tap the bell. Because today, we're not just manifesting love, we're embodying it. Let's be honest. If you're here, chances are you felt like a backup plan or an afterthought. You've given so much of yourself, so much of your energy to someone without receiving that same energy in return. That ends today. Because love, real, magnetic, soul-deep love, isn't about getting someone to act right. It's about becoming so aligned, so self-assured, and so powerful within your own right that they have no choice but to match your frequency. Carl Jung once said, "Until you make the unconscious conscious, it will direct your life and you will call it fate." And that's exactly what's been happening. You've unconsciously accepted being second, being less. But now you're waking up. To be prioritized, you must first prioritize yourself. This means you stop overgiving, you stop seeking and needing validation, and you stop checking your phone 50 times or a gajillion of times waiting for any sign or any communication whatsoever. Instead, you shift that energy inward. You focus on yourself. You embody the version of you who's already adored, worshipped, and put first. Say it with me. I am cherished. I am highly and deeply valued. I am always chosen. You're not manifesting a specific person. You're manifesting the version of them who reflects how you now see yourself. And when you live from that version, they mirror that back. So here's how to align with being prioritized. With number one being morning mirror affirmations. Okay? So every morning, look at yourself and say, I am unforgettable. I am the first and last thing they think about every day. I am their top priority. Exercise number 2 to be prioritized by your SP is heart energy activation. So for this one, you're going to do it for 5 minutes every night as you're falling asleep. Okay? So close your eyes. Close your eyes. And as your eyes are closed, I want you to imagine the strong, beautiful golden light radiating from your heart, growing stronger with every pulse. And imagine your SP looking directly at you with complete adoration, their eyes full of love and their actions aligning with. They call, they plan, they show up. Now, let this feeling flood your nervous system for 5 minutes. And the third exercise to practice to be prioritized by your SP is detachment. Detach with grace. You don't chase what's already yours. So walk like you know that they're already aligned with you, aligned to you. Live as if you're already in the most loving, committed, passionate, protective, and happy relationship. And now, let's use 2 of the most powerful words in existence. I am. I am. Every time you say the words I am, you're not just describing who you are. You're also declaring who you're becoming. Okay? These 2 words allow you to embody your oneness with the boundless powers of the universe. So, repeat after me. I am deeply desired. I am the center of their thoughts, heart, and world. I am magnetic to their devotion. They prioritize me with joy, ease, and love. Let these become your inner truths, not just words, but your new identity. You're not asking for too much. You've simply been asking for it the wrong way. From lack, not power. But now you've remembered. You are the one. You are the priority. And you are the love they've been searching for. So start living like it and watch the world in your SP reflect it right back. Comment below. I am their top priority. Let's anchor in this energy together right now. And remember to like this video and subscribe to manifest the life of your dreams. You've got this. The love you deserve is already yours, and it's coming fast.